You hear that? That means recording, okay? All right? Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, we're going to do a few little stretches, and then we'll be on our way. Put your palms together like this, and elbows out, okay? Let's go straight up like this, and come to the middle again. Come back to position 1, and then position 2, position 1, position 2, and position 1. Okay, now we're going to twist like this. We're just going to do some stretches. And twist to the other side. All right, go 2 more like this. Go stretch over here, and stretch over here. Very good. I'm going to take one of your arms and just kind of let go and stretch the side. All right, and go back to the other side. Very good. Let's do 2 more set like that. Go over here and over here. Okay. Now, let's do a neck roll. We're just going to rotate around like that. Okay, we're going to get all limbered up. Okay, now let's go back to the other side. Go back the other way. Just rotate around. Rotate, roll, neck roll. Okay, now we're going to roll your shoulders forward like this. All right, just kind of open up your back. Okay, good. And 1 more like that. Okay, now let's open up, go back this way. All right. 1 more. Very, very good. Okay, now I'm going to add a couple of more, but I want you to sit up straight. All right. All right, sit up straight. Now, I want you to understand that when you sing, you want to make something happen here in your core. Right here, your core muscles, that's where your diaphragm is. You ever heard of that word, diaphragm?
I think so, but I forgot what it means.
Yeah, what it is, it's a muscle. It's a big muscle right here, and it helps you with your breathing. You've been using your diaphragm all of your life, but that's the muscle we're going to use to get our energy, all right? And your muscle and that muscle is located in your core. Now, it's kind of shaped like a dome, like this. Let's see my hand right there, like a dome. And when you inhale, it goes down. And then when you exhale, you come back up to rest. And that's the diaphragm. So what I want you to do, I want you to take a breath in. We're going to inhale, all right? Inhale. And exhale like this. Inhale. Exhale. Now, when you inhale, I want you to just make all of this expand, all right? Now, you can take your hand and put right here just to make sure that everything expands. When you inhale, your hand should go out, and then you exhale. Legacy, will you try that? Okay, inhale and exhale. Okay, let's do 1 more, but when you inhale, I don't want you to raise your shoulders up. Take hold of the bottom of your chair and hold the bottom of your chair so that your shoulders won't go up, okay? Hold the bottom like that, and I want you to inhale again. Shoulders don't go up. And exhale. Very good. Now that's called diaphragmatic breathing. Now from now on, I want you to feel like your voice is right here. You understand? So you don't want to feel like your voice is in your throat, okay? There's a lot of stuff going on when you sing. Your voice is not in your throat. They call your voice box, which is your larynx right here. Right here, right? This bone right here, that's your larynx. So 2 things we've learned, the diaphragm and what is this called?
A larynx.
Yeah, that's your larynx. Okay. Now your vocal cords are inside of your larynx. So your larynx is this bone structure. Have you seen some people where they have an Adam's apple, like a little bone stick out right there? That's all part of the laryngeal structure. That's the structure that hold your vocal cords. Now your vocal cords have to shorten in order to get higher notes. Now, when you get ready to get your high notes, we don't want your head to go up to high and down to low. We're not going to look for notes like that. Everything will be in the mask. This is your mask. In front of your ears, your mask. All right. Now, what I want you to do, what's called a tongue trill. A lot of singers do this, and I like tongue trills because it relaxes your face. All right. Now we've already relaxed our shoulders and our sides and stuff with that. Now let's relax the face. I just want you to go. Yeah, very good. Yeah. But you know, when you take voice lessons, you do some silly stuff, but it really, really, really helps. All right. So you got to get past the silly in order to get something out of this lesson. But we all have fun, and we're not gonna be boring, and we're gonna have fun. You see, we're gonna laugh a lot. Okay. Do you like jokes?
Yeah.
I don't know any. Okay, so let's do this. I just want you to do the lip trill one more time. Because we're gonna be using this. Oh, very good. Now, when you take that breath, Legacy, I don't want them shoulders to go up. Keep your shoulders down and take that diaphragmatic breath. Take the breath with the diaphragm. Here we go. Same thing we did when we took the breath. Okay. Okay. Inhale. Lip trill. All right. It's easier, isn't it, when you inhale, right? Okay. Let's do one more like that. Inhale. Shoulders down. And lip trill. Yeah. Now, if your face is not very, very relaxed, then the lip trill won't be as good. All right. Now, another thing I want to do, I want to do a tongue trill. Now, the tongue trill is like this. Try that. I told you we're gonna laugh a lot, and that's really silly. You go like that.
Yeah.
now, just like your two lips go. Now, you're gonna use your tongue and your hard palate. Now, your hard palate right behind your teeth. Hard palate. All right. And so you just put your tongue against a hard palate and blow air past it, just like you did when you went. You see? Try that one.
Like that. Close your teeth.
Yeah, Mama did. Mama show you how. But you don't have to know how to do that. That's not so important. Long as you can do one of them. Okay? Now I have a couple more things that I want to do. Let me show you this. Show you this here. Watch this. What am I doing?
You're blowing bubbles.
Bubbles are so much fun. But when you blow bubbles, if you're going to blow a big bubble, I want you to imagine that you're going to blow a big, big bubble. That's the breath I want you to take when you sing. You see that? That's the same thing. It's called a SOVT, which is kind of like a little vocal exercise. Can you see this board? Yeah, which is kind of like a vocal exercise. That. So I want to do. Have you ever heard the song from The Sound of Music? Do a deer, a female deer, ray, a drop of golden sun. Now, so that's do, do, do. Now I just want you to do the do now. Do.
Do.
Very good. Do. Yeah. Do. Do. I want you to hit the low one. Do the one you hit. Do. But just take it down.
Do.
That's the oh, that's it. That's it. Now, do, re, mi, fa, sol.
Do, re, mi, so, fa.
So you would know them. Okay. Now these are just these are sofa solfege. That's what it's called. Solfege. And so this is do. Can you see that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, re. It's spelled R-E because an Italian guy came up with this. And so in Italian, the E sounds like A. Okay, so it's do, re, and then mi. And then fa. And I got a room for soul. All right. So it's do, re, mi, fa, sol. Okay. After me. Do,
Do,
re,
re,
mi,
mi,
fa,
fa,
sol.
so.
You're so coachable. All right. Okay. Let's reverse it. So,
So,
fa,
fa,
mi,
mi,
re,
re,
do.
do.
Okay. Now, you do it and I'll do it after you.
Do,
Do,
re,
re,
mi,
mi,
fa,
fa,
so.
so. Okay, now we come back down.
So,
So,
fa,
fa,
mi,
mi,
re,
re,
do.
do. Okay. Now, I think I'm gonna start right here. So, here we go. Do,
Do,
re,
re,
mi,
mi,
fa,
fa,
so,
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 fa,
fa,
mi,
mi,
re,
re,
do.
do,
Now your turn. I sing after you.
do,
Do,
re,
re,
mi,
mi,
fa,
fa,
so,
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 fa,
fa, Like a good duet there. I'm telling you, that's a good duet. You know, a duet is two people singing together. All right. Okay, that was very, very good. You know what? You're one of the first people that could do that. I
Really?
teach a lot of people, but you are the first one that can do that. You are very musical. You know that?
Thank you.
Yeah, you're gonna be all right, Legacy. Let me erase. Oh my Lord. Did I